Hey guys, happy 2021 darlings. I hope you're doing well. It's been a minute. I decided to do a little curly guide on how to do a dry curl versus from wet wash to air dry or wash to diffuser. I was craving rolos and a blowout. Sometimes we do want to feel that way, and I think the hair also tells you when it wants to do it. So I did it and I did it with the magic roller. I see people do it with the rods, but the magic roller for some reason reminds me of a rolo. And I wanted to try it, so I hope you guys like it. I also use some local products. You know that I love using local products. Oh, shout out to House of Curls with the Curl Gang hoodie, darling. Yes, check her out. But I also use this local hairline, Botanika Beauty. This is by far one of my favorite products. If you are like an easy curly 2-step, 3-step type of styling, boom, this is it. The light cream and the mousse is my ultimate favorite. So please check them out. I also use the protein treatment. Like I said, the hair craves a little bit that it wants to be treated a little differently, because the hair, just like the body and everything else, becomes immune to the products that you use. So my hair was already kind of saying, yeah, I think it was feeling the 2020 vibes. So I decided to do a little bit of the protein treatment and then do the regular wash and then styled with this. So totally recommend it, and I hope you guys like it. We're back, we're fierce, we're curly, and we're amazing. Besitos. So here's when I want to demonstrate the magic roller. Just flip it out and you can start combing out your hair to the ends. Make sure that you pick the right ones for the portion of your hair. As you can see here, I started with the small one and then decided to do the bigger ones because my hair is longer. And the key here, guys, is make sure that your ends are nice and smooth. You can comb it out with your comb and delicately sleek it down to the rolo as delicately as you can, and keep on rolling it up as smooth as possible, and until you feel it as tight and fastened, then you just flip it over. Make sure your hair is always hydrated, so always spray as you feel that your hair is getting dry, and you kind of keep on doing the repeats. Again, ends are the key thing. As long as your ends are cool, the rest will follow. So I realized that I had to do it a couple of times, so guys, please be patient. But it was kind of fun. And you do it all around your hair in sections by sections, and you choose the right roller for the portion of the hair that you select. At this point, I am in by the crown of my hair, so I wanted to do as much as possible here, and I was doing smaller portions because that's where a lot of my volume and definition, because I love volume, darling. So I did smaller sections of my hair and followed the same steps. You can absolutely air dry, but I chose to do the hair dryer. I started with an hour and a half, and then here I'm starting to slowly and gently untangle all the rollers, keeping it as defined as possible. things are slowly coming together. Don't I look cute? I feel very Shirley Temple. So as you see, gently unravel, but you're gonna notice some areas of the hair that is still not quite ready. So you do them over and put it right back on and start saving those for later. Unravel the ones that are dry and leave on the ones that are not. Identified all of my dry curls, I still have some damp ones. So I just got a hairnet. I put all my dry curls inside the hairnet so they're protected and get back into the dryer for like about another half an hour or hour. And then you get this. So you can then take a comb or just simply do it with your fingers and start separating your curls. So if you like volume like I do, then you start small and in sections, start separating each of the curls up to 1 to 2 or to 3, and then continue all around your hair. So if you're doing this to prep for the next day, then leave it in a pineapple and put a satin wrap or a bonnet. But if you're ready to go and show off your curls, then get a serum and put it in your all over your hair and your ends. Yes, darling. Volume, volume, yes and yes and yes. Fluff it and fluff it. And you are ready to go, my lovies. I hope you guys like it. And as always, smile, be kind, and be fabulous. Until next time.